Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, I'm learning new things every day to keep my updated and making myself very skilled person. So uh, today I'm doing a fast reading. Uh, Today onwards, I'm doing a fast reading in Nepali as well as English. So I'll read the topics for 5 minutes, and just I'm improving my reading skill. So let's see how much I improve my skill in 30 days. So today is the day one. So let's start. uh, so I have let me let me search the stopwatch. Okay, I'll be reading for 5 minutes each language. English, for English I have 151 essays, so I will choose an essay. So it is human cloning, a dangerous invention, page number 74. Number 74. Okay. This is the chapter essay I'm reading. So let's human cloning, a dangerous invention. Cloning is an advanced technological invention for producing a genetic twin of a living thing, an organism that starts life with the same genes as its parents. In mammals, DNA is taken from an adult animal and then it is inserted into an egg cell from another animal. This egg then divides into an embryo. The embryo is then transplanted into a surrogate mother and grown to term. This process has worked in animals like cows, sheep, goats, mice, pigs, while such attempts could not succeed in rabbits, rat, cat, dog, monkey, and horse. In 1997, researchers at Scotland's Roslin Roslin Institute, led by embryologist Ian Wilmot, reported that they had successfully cloned a sheep named Dolly from the cell of an adult Ewe. In 1998, scientists at the University of Hawaii cloned a mouse, creating not only dozens of copies but three generations of cloned clones. In the same year, two research teams succeeded in growing embryonic stem cells. In November 2001, the scientists were able to clone the first human embryo. From pure scientific analysis, it was unprecedented milestone in the field of genetic engineering technology. But the news created a furor among the moralist governments. US President Mr. George W. Bush condemned human cloning as morally wrong. We should not as a society grow life to destroy it. And the president, the use of embryos to clone is wrong. Many US states, including California, have banned cloning, and Congress is also considering to impose such a ban. The company Advanced Cell Technology ACT in Worcester, Massachusetts. Okay, I will pronounce it, learn it later. USA, which claimed to clone the first human embryo, said the corporation ACT is creating human embryos for the sole purpose of killing them and harvesting their cells. This announcement of ACT provoked angry reactions across Italy and inside the Vatican. Mr. Girolamo Ciccia, the Italian health minister, described human cloning as a crime against humanity. The Vatican Archbishop said that the church opposes any form of human conception that was not born from an act of love between husband and wife. Scientists at Scientists at ACT said that the experiments were aimed at aiding stem cells research to create a wide range of diseases, providing hope for people with spinal injuries, heart diseases, and other ailments. According to Dr. Robert P. Langa, one of the scientists at the ACT, this latest experiment sets the pace for human therapeutic cloning as a potentially limitless source of immune compatible cell for tissue engineering and transplantation medicine. The company claimed that it has no intention of transplanting embryos into a woman's womb to give birth to a cloned human being. According to scientists, the stem cell could provide replacement for various body tissues and organs such as heart, pancreas, and the nervous system. Indeed, stem cells research hold out the promise of bonanza in tackling a wide range of diseases like Alzheimer, Parkinson's, diabetes, leukemia, lymphoma, and other blood disorders. When stem cell research could be so beneficial in curing various diseases in human beings, then why human cloning is being condemned? The crux of the matter is human cloning shall not be stopped at stem cell research. Its potential for gross abuse will make it a virtual Frankenstein. The opponents of human cloning say that an embryo at any stage of development is a human life worthy of protection, and any kind of research that entails destroying an embryo is immoral, unethical, no matter how worthy the intent may be. It involves using human being as means. It turns human life into a commodity and fosters a culture of dehumanization. Another group of anti-moralists finds such making of fuss against cloning in unreasonable and illogical. They ask point blank, why do we permit abortion? We permit in vitro fertilization, which creates 9 or 10 embryos, of which all but one will be destroyed. Worst things are happening in our country, uh, where where lakhs of female fetuses are destroyed by parents eager to have a male child with the convenience of doctor. The scientists have now started taking designer babies, which make it theoretically possible to genetically engineer our children with added height or intelligence and removing defective genes or disabilities such as cystic fibrosis or alcoholism. The advocates of human cloning gave number of arguments as to how cloning could not modern society forward. It could prove a panacea for several diseases. Every such invention have merits and demerits. Human cloning could be misused to destroy the existing humanity and civilization. We have seen the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction and spectrum of germs and chemical warfare. Scientists, philosophers, thinkers, philanthropists from all over the world spoke out against human cloning, prompted by fears that the world has taken a step further towards nightmare of humans replicated in the lab. The human cloning can tear the society to pieces. It can endanger the very existence of human being in this world. Okay, so it takes me 8 minutes to finish this essay. Now we will go for the now for the Nepali. I have a book Nepali Lok Git. So I have Nepali Lok Git. This book I have purchased when यो बुक चाहिँ मैले डान्स गर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ किनेको थिएँ. सो यसबाट चाहिँ हामी पढ्ने छौँ. लेट्स सी विच च्याप्टर यु लाइक. यसबाट हामी सालैजो भन्ने पढ्छौँ है त. सालैजो पेज नम्बर 41. पेज नम्बर 41. Okay, page number 41, Salejo. Salejo. So let's start the time. सालेजो नेपालका चर्चित गीतमध्येको एउटा गीत सालेजो गीत हो। सालेजो थेगो प्रयोग गर्दै गाइने यस गीतको सालेजो शब्द साली र जिउ शब्दको मेलबाट निर्मित भएको हो। विशेष गरी गुरुङ र मगर जातिमा प्रचलित यस गीतको गायनमा महिला सहभागिता भए पनि पुरुषको सक्रियता बढी हुन्छ। यस्तै यसको गायनमा बाजाका रूपमा मादल प्रयोग हुन्छ। मनोरञ्जन गर्ने उद्देश्यले घर, गोठ, आँगन, चौर, वन, पाखा आदि ठाउँमा गाइने यस गीतका विभिन्न भेद पाइन्छन्। जस्तै तुक्कायुक्त एकोहोरी लामो सालेजो, तुक्कायुक्त दोहोरी लामो सालेजो, तुक्काविहीन एकोहोरी लामो सालेजो, तुक्काविहीन दोहोरी लामो सालेजो, तुक्कायुक्त एकोहोरी छोटो सालेजो, तुक्कायुक्त दोहोरी छोटो सालेजो, तुक्काविहीन एकोहोरी छोटो सालेजो, तुक्काविहीन दोहोरी छोटो सालेजो। न्यौपाने 2044-25। बिना सालेजो, साउने सालेजो, भदौरे सालेजो, बलैजा आदि। मनोरञ्जनमूलक सन्दर्भ सालेजो थेगो प्रयोग गर्दै गाइनु सामाजिक विषयवस्तु, भागवत विविधता एवं भए पनि प्रणय भावको प्रधानता, जातिगत लोक भाषाको प्रयोग, अन्तरा र थेगोको प्रयोग, लयगत विविधता, वर्णनात्मक तथा कथनात्मक शैलीको प्रयोग हुनु, निश्चित जाति विशेषमा प्रचलित हुनु, मनोरञ्जन गर्ने उद्देश्यले गाइनु, गायनमा पुरुष तथा स्त्री सबैको सहभागिता हुनु, मादल तथा नृत्यको प्रयोग हुनु अनि स्वतन्त्र खालको संरचना हुनु यस सुनिमाया गीतका विशेषता हुन्। जानकारीका निम्ति पर्वत जिल्लाको भोरले स्थित हिले गाउँमा गुरुङ युवा युवतीले गाएको सालेजो गीत सङ्कलन गरी ती मध्येको एउटा चरण यहाँ उल्लेख गरिएको छ। उधोलाई जानी तो काली गङ्गा सालेजो छेउ हान्यो हालिकाले। गीत गाए त अझै रमाइलो हुन्थ्यो नि। छेउ हान्यो त हालिकाले, छेउ हान्यो हालिकाले, हो जानी तो काली गङ्गा सालेजो छेउ हान्यो कि हलिकाले। म राइम्सै आएन यसको। छेउ हान्यो हलिकाले, छेउ हान्यो हलिकाले, रातलाई गयो त्यही सपनीले सालेजो, दिन गयो झलिकाले, दिन गयो झलिकाले, दिन गयो झलिकाले, हो माया माया सिरै फुल्यो माया सालेजो, दिन गयो झलिकाले। सो यति पढ्न चाहिँ मलाई लाग्यो 2 मिनट 35 सेकेन्ड। सो लेट्स सी है त एक महिनामा कतिको इम्प्रुभ हुन्छ, कतिको फास्ट चाहिँ मैले पढ्न सक्छु। फास्ट मात्र पढेन भएन, त्यो शब्दहरूको अर्थ नि बुझ्नु पर्यो। सो आजको लागि यति नै। सो सी यु इन द नेक्स्ट डे। भोलि यसरी नै हामी 30 दिनसम्म चाहिँ रेगुलर रिडिङ गर्नेछौँ। लेट्स सी हामी कतिको फास्ट रिडिङ गर्न सक्छौँ। सो इफ यु आर अल्सो इन्ट्रेस्टेड इन लर्निङ न्यू थिङ्स होइन, सो यु क्यान जस्ट सब्सक्राइब माई च्यानल एन्ड विथ मी